video is sponsored by Toyota. Oh, what? You don't like Toyotas? Alright, fine. Bam! Lamborghini! With Reese DeLon and 3-time championship car, Chevy Camaro ZL1. Okay, Reese, how do you feel about this race?
I'm going, keep that gas.
And pre-race interview with rookie Zayden Trent and his Lamborghini Sian. So, Zayden, how do you feel about this race?
Not so sure because the Chevy's actually really fast. And, pretty sure rechargeable batteries are faster than, separate batteries. So, I'm pretty sure the Camaro's gonna win.
Your engines! Boop, 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 bing! The Lambo's destroying him.
Four laps?
Yep, 4 laps.
Oh, no, I almost hit that piece of grass. I almost hit that piece of grass.
Are you sure this is the 3-time championship car? Well, I don't think so. And he crashed. Almost a crash.
No, I almost hit grass. And second lap done. No shortcuts, Reese. Reese took a shortcut. Okay, second lap done for
The Camaro ain't doing good, folks. Reese is crashing!
Go backwards!
Oh,
I tried to dodge, but I turned right at it. Oh.
he in the water trap. The water trap. Get stuck.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Third lap. Third lap. Third lap.
No! Oh, never mind.
Crash. Crash.
Is it almost white flag?
Yeah. When y'all come back, it's white flag.
Okay. Oh, I almost hit Reese. Oh, I almost hit Reese. I almost hit Reese.
The Camaro cat crashed. He crashed again. I'm gonna just follow this car. Looks like the Lambo's about to win.
We don't know that.
Yeah, we don't know. Maybe a tire can come off.
Wait, what? Wait, a tire can come off?
I don't know. He's trying to wreck. Oh, he crashed through the wall. Oh, and he crashed. He's taking his time. He's about to win. Reese, what is he doing? Trying to cheat. He's cheated. Oh my goodness.
Reese is still doing the race.
And he won. The Lambo won.
Let's go. Let's do a burnout.
He's still doing his race.
Do a burnout. Oh, put the flag. Put the doors up. The doors up.
No one even cares about the Camaro anymore.
Everybody cares about Lindsay.
And he finishes the race.
That's not good. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's
He wins. Zayden, how do you feel about winning?
Don't know.
Hey, how do you feel about losing?
That car's trash.
Alright, we're going home. Bye-bye. Oh. What?
What happened to the shoe? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh no!
Come on, get the super. I'll get it.
Oh snap! Oh snap! It's a fight.
I'm going with Al versus Super.
Oh no! Oh my goodness!
Go get the Supra.
Oh, he's getting the Supra. Where's he going?
What is he doing with this?
Go. Where'd he go?
Where's he going?
Where'd he go? Yoinks!
Where's he going?
Lambo,
Where's he going?
Camaro.
Piece of crap.
Where'd he go? Where did Reese go?
Where did the 3-time champion car go?
Oh no! Oh, the car's over there.
I don't think it's a 3-time champion.
Nope. Neither do I.
Oh, you get that Supra? Go get the Supra.
Oh, he getting the
Reese, go
Supra.
get that Supra.
He getting the Supra out.
Reese, go get the Supra.
He getting the Supra.
Reese, go get the
He's
Supra.
getting the Supra. Oh my
Reese,
goodness.
let's hit him at the same time. We're gonna hit him.
Oh, collision! Collision time!
Go. Let's go hit him. Let's go hit him.
Oh, they're about to beat up the Camaro. They're gonna beat him up.
No, I missed him.
You suck!
Hit him, Reese.
Yeah!
Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah! Oh, field goal kick. Field goal.
Bully him.
Field goal time.
Don't actually kick it hard for real.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I am stuck again.
Everybody, come and speak on them.
Wait, do you know the way?
Oh yeah. Supra.
Reese, the Camaro doesn't know the way, but the Supra knows the way.
He knows the way to crash into the Camaro.
I know that's an old meme, but it's the way.
It's the way.
Oh, okay.
What's that?
The Camaro does not know the way.
Alrighty.
Go.
Then the pain.
Look at the car. What do you mean the pain? The pain.
The pain.
This turned into a disaster.
This is the disaster. Oh, the pain.
No, that shoe's probably hurt more. That shoe has been through more. Go.
What has this race turned into? What the heck? What has this race turned into? It has turned into a death match. A death match. Oh my goodness. The Lambo's not showing any mercy. No mercy. Strike hard, strike first,
Wait,
no
what?
mercy. Epic battle. What?
He can't because he has to use one hand. He has to use one hand. We're gonna have epic battle.
We have an epic battle. A race turned to battle. What the?
A NASCAR race with supercars turns into battle. Turns
my
into
goodness.
World War III.
What?
This is World War III with cars. Can't touch this. Can't touch it.
He be juking. He juke.
Go.
Oh,
I almost hit him.
he juking.
I know.
Oh, crap.
Oh, yeah. You gonna get it.
He gonna get it.
You gonna get
He
it.
gonna get it.
gonna
Oh, he gonna get it. He gonna get it. He gonna get it. He about to get it. He about to get it. Oh snap! Oh snap! You suck! You can't kick! Oh, he's getting joked! Oh my! I got you! Come here! Come here! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Ah! Get him! Oh. It's a race! It's a race! Race wins! Oh, the Lambo! Oh! Gas, gas, gas! I'm gonna step on the gas. Oh, he's chasing him down. Oh, hey!
No, for real.
Woo!
That's a disaster.